Hey kids, guess what? I'm here with Mrs. Witten and we are gonna do a friction lab. Woo woo! Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this, Mrs. Witten?
I'm ready.
Awesome, let's do this. Or I'm gonna pause it. Okay, with the magic of the camera here, look at this, I switched it. All right, Mrs. Witten's here. What do you got here?
So let's go through materials before we get started. Right here, I've got our block of wood. This is representing our furniture, and it has this little hook in here so that we can hook our spring scales. This is what we're using to measure our force.
Let me zoom in on that thing. Okay, let me see. Let me get it. Ah, look at that. And look at the N. What's that N stand for?
Not nachos.
Oh, I like me some nachos. Oh, give me some nachos.
All
okay, not nachos. Okay, we got a cool scale there. Okay.
Okay. So then I also have this carpet here because this is the first one in your data table. So go ahead and have that pulled up.
We're going to zoom in. We're going to zoom in on the action here. Okay.
As I take this
Okay.
data. So make sure that it starts out at 0.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So we've zeroed it in. Okay, that's our starting.
I want to just hardly pull it until it moves. And then that's the number I want to record in my data table.
Oh, that's cool. Can you see that? Get that number in there, kiddos. Mark it down. Record that data. All right. Awesome. I think we got it. Okay. Now what are we going to do? Which one are we going to do now?
Now is sandpaper.
So we're changing the surface now to sandpaper. Now are we going to keep the same block?
Yes, we're keeping the same block and the same spring scale.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, and are we keeping the same person that's doing it? Oh yeah, I believe we are. Okay, here we go. Hooking it on. There we go.
Keeping it level and making sure it's 0. Now I'm pulling.
Okay.
Right there is probably the number that
Okay,
you
let me
want
zoom
to record.
in. Right here, we're gonna pause it right there. Let me zoom in. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, this is like such good zoom in. Here we go. Got it, guys? You should get that one. Get that one marked down. Okay, awesome. Now which one are we doing? We're gonna change the surface again. So cool.
Oh, I set the block over there.
That's okay. We're like the best lab partners right here. Okay, so what surface is this?
This is wax paper.
Wax paper. Did you use this when you made me some cookies the other day?
I didn't make cookies the other day. I think you did some baking the other day.
I did. I made cookies. I did. Dr. Greg loves her some cookies. Chocolate chips, some sugar cookies with sprinkles. I love it. Okay, I digress. Okay, ooh, look at this. Okay, so we're going to move. So we'll get it to move. Want me to hold this down? There we go. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Look at that zoomage. Is that even a word?
I'm not sure.
I just made it up, so.
Put it and collect that number in your data table.
There you go. That's a good one. Okay. Good job, Mrs. Witten.
Oh, yeah. I know what I'm doing.
That's right, you do.
Okay. I think next is marbles.
Marbles. Okay. Marbles. Look at these cool marbles. Okay. All right, here we go. Now she's balancing this petri dish on top of the marbles to where the surfaces that are touching are actually the marble to the desk, right? Is that what it is? Yes. So the marbles and then the wood block sits on top of it. So, okay. So it's not scraping the desk. It's actually rolling over it. Okay.
And think about what this might represent if you were actually moving furniture.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Let me see. So we're moving it. This is the fun one. It's gonna go wonky. Okay. Oh, look at that. You got it like rolling really well.
That's probably the number that you want to get
right there. Oh my gosh, that's like even barely. Let's burly even more. Okay. Burly. Okay. All right, looks good.
All right.
Okay. Now what do we got?
Second to last surface.
Oh, what's this? Paper towel.
Paper towel.
That we use because we wash our hands all the time. Wash them hands, sanitize. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Up here, I'll hold it down for you. This one's a little harder to move. See, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in.
What makes it harder?
Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. What does make it harder, you guys? I'd record that number. That's a good number right there. There we go. Good job. Oh wait, now we gotta change locales. We're gonna change locales here for just a minute. I'm gonna pause you. We'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so we're back. It's magic. All right, we're zooming in. We're using the tile floor, okay? All right. I'm gonna zoom in here. Okay.
And that's
See if
probably
I can get
the
in
number right
there. Can you see that?
That's it.
Try not to get the glare. I think that's good. Looks pretty good. All right, and that's it, right?
That's it.
What a fun lab! All right, let's.
So at this point, you should go back to your document and fill out that post-lab question. Tell me what you think would happen if we added more weight onto this block.
Oh, I don't know. Let's think about that. Let's talk about that. Bye, guys.